One way that the white supremacists have always been able to subjugate people is by using germ warfare. This started with the Native Americans when they would come around the natives and give them smallpox, and they saw that disease can kill off more people than the gun. So the white supremacists, they've always used disease to decimate people, with AIDS, with Ebola, with all types of other diseases, so they can kill off the people and take the land, because they understand if you violently try to take people off their land, sometimes you destroy the land. They understood that with Japan. By dropping atom bombs and all this stuff on people, what happens is that you'll kill the people, but then you'll destroy the land, and the land will be useless.
Ebola's in Nigeria. At the same time, Nigeria is supplying 27% of its oil to China, who is our new Russia, who we need to make sure has a cap on how much gas they can use. So now we got troops in Nigeria just chilling. And the reason is Ebola. We got troops in the Eastern Horn of Africa because there's skirmishes and there are pirates there. It looks to me, though, that's the only place fuel can go in and out of by ship. So in case it ever gets stupid, then you know who can close it off. So I just look at the world from a bigger context.
And scientists now have so perfected this art of germ warfare that they have developed melanin-specific viruses. Now pneumonia has been spreading throughout the black community. The pneumonia virus has mutated to the point now where it used to be cured with an injection 10 years ago. Now there's so many forms of pneumonia out here that are taking people out left and right.
Working with Tulane University and Columbia University, have a lab in all three of those countries that's producing bacterial warfare. And one of the things they're producing is Ebola. And the CDC owns the patent on this Ebola virus that just wreaked havoc over West Africa.
I remember reading in the Washington Post magazine about 15 years ago about an article, a CIA agent who was in Africa, and he had an assignment, and something went wrong, and he decided to scrap this assignment, and he threw this suitcase that was filled with the Ebola virus in a lake, threw it away. And then a short time later, Ebola breaks out in that community. So these mysterious viruses that just show up and only seem to target specific people, we have to begin to recognize that as a potential form of genetic warfare.